In today's video I will do a rear wiper delete, upgrade to a black third brake light and install a handle to open the barn doors from inside. First unscrew the wiper arm and pull it off. Then remove the wiper motor and unplug it. In addition, I got the rear wiper coated out, just in case of me accidentally hitting the lever for the rear window cleaning and spraying washer fluid into the rear door. Afterwards, painted the plug and the van's color code. Applied sealant and bonded it on. Nothing special for the third brake light, just unscrewed the old one and plugged in the new black one. To open the barn doors from inside, there is an original handle from VW. First I painted the parts that will be visible, as I bought it used and it had a few marks. Then I bolted it on and attached it to the opening mechanism. Next, the cutout in the door trim. Turns out my door trim is too thick for the handle's cover to click into place. So I made the cutout bigger and installed a rubber beading on the edges.